today I'm gonna show you how to make easy and complete makeup look with just few makeup items. Wanna see it? Guys, can you imagine? With only 7 products, yes, with only 7 makeup products, your whole look will be completed. And this is the look right now that I have. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Now let's start. In my skin, I have applied only toning and moisturizer. That's it, nothing, no makeup is there. So just to make my skin more hydrated. So first I'll start with the foundation. I will put this Biotique foundation on my skin in dots. You will have a look how it looks like. So yes, I will apply this in dot. I'm using the Biotique foundation and the shade is Seashell 5601. So yeah, you can see, check it here. You can take it in your palm or simply apply. I will apply in dots. Just I am doing. You have to copy me. That's it, guys. It's easy and simple. So yes, I will apply this. You have to apply in dots. Okay, you have noticed I have taken a much product because as it claims it is full coverage, but I know I have already used it before and it is not a full coverage foundation. That's why I'm taking a lot bit of more foundation and also to my neckline and dab it in a water. So it's just a little bit of water. I'll blend it just like I'm doing. That follow me and do it. I think it's a Vegas sponge and you can get it anywhere. I mean, I've purchased it from online only. Yeah. So I will just blend it. You can see just I'm doing like this. You have to do exactly what I'm doing. It will look literally horrible at the first, but don't worry. One thing I should say, this foundation is not full coverage, it is sheer to medium, but it has a really nice glow. Means it has already added a nice glow to my skin, and that's a pretty good. Just you have to do, just I'm doing, you have to blend it really well. Already I have applied the foundation and now I'll use the concealer from inside. You can have a look. So I'll apply this in my underneath my eyes and where I have dark patches. Okay, I'm using Beige 01 and the product looks like this. It's an easy applicator and it will also cost you 110 only. Just imagine, in 110 you're getting a concealer. Amount of quantity that I require and put it under my eyes. It's an everyday kind of makeup, so I'm not using any color correctors, so this you will not need after this. It's just as simple and as easy as it is. I use a lot of concealer. If you just want, you can skip this much. Okay, so you have to blend it really well. Just the product should not be there in one place much, but it should be blended properly and it will look like this. Okay, so I've applied the concealer and my honest opinion about inside concealer is not so good, but yes, you can use it in a daily basis. It has a liquid formula. It's not creamy at all. It's not matte. It's not what I usually expect from a concealer. It's not at all that. So I have a mixed opinion in this. So moving to next would be compact, and that too from Biotique. So that's the product. Guys, get a nice mirror. Just look at this. This is so nice. So now I'll apply the eyeshadow pencil. It's a daily look, so I'll not use in a very dramatic way, but definitely. So simply I'll draw some line outs, you can see. And it is in the shade brown. It's not grey, it's not black, because I think brown suits my skin well. Yeah, it's looking right? Okay, same way I did this one also. It should look like this. Both should be same, right? So yeah, it's done. Okay, so I'll use now Hypercurl mascara from Maybelline. So you can get this product online at Amazon. I purchased it at around 250. Guys, this is so nice. I just love Maybelline mascaras. I hope you guys can see me. Don't look up. I've not taken this. I've taken it down because if I look up, my entire makeup will be gone. That's looking nice. Just you have to close your eyes a little bit so that you get that nice volume. The same way I'll do this again. My eyes are looking so nice. I just love this, right? So I've completed my this eye also. Also, I'll put a little bit in the lower lashes. So I'm done with this, and now I will use the Lakme Kajal. To take this Kajal and use a little bit. It should look like this. Now I'll quickly do the lipstick, and it's almost done, guys. It's ready. Your makeup is done. So yeah, so I'll use the Biotique lipstick, and it will look like this. And it's in the shade Give Me a Rose, P606. Okay guys, so yes, I'll take this sponge, a little bit of lipstick I've taken, and apply it to my cheeks. Okay, so this is all I have done, nothing else. That's the complete look. So I have to just blend it out really nice. So yes, it's the end of my tutorial to you guys, and I loved it. I really loved it. I mean, it's so nice. Yes guys, I'm wearing this makeup for long 3 hours. It has been 3 hours, and you can see there is no breakouts till now, and they are flawless, complete flawless. If you use my technique, your skin will be exactly the same. I mean, this is great. With just only, I've used 7 to 8 products, and that look, it's great, right? Yes, it's done. I mean, just awesome, right? So yes, I have done it, and I hope you will like this video. Don't forget to give it some big thumbs up and comment below. And I hope you are subscribing to get the new videos. I'll see you guys soon on my next video. I hope you will like that. So till then, enjoy, stay safe, and comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Sanhita's Lifestyle. I'll be back with a new video for you guys. Bye.